Start by going to the project panel, then right click, go to new item and then adjustment layer. Now click and drag the adjustment layer over your video clips. Then extend the adjustment layer so it matches the video clip's duration. Now go to the effects panel and search Gaussian blur. Now drag the effect to your adjustment layer. Now make sure your adjustment layer is selected, then go to Effects Control, move the playhead where you want the blur to start. Now click the stopwatch next to blurriness, then move the playhead where you want the video to be fully blurred. Then change the blurriness value to your liking. As you can see, the video starts blurring by the first keyframe and is done blurring at the second one. To change the speed of the blur, simply move the second keyframe closer or further away from the first one. Now, as you can see, the blur takes way longer. That's because we moved the second keyframe further away from the first one. Now, to make a fade out, simply move the playhead where you want to start to fade out. Now, click the circle next to blurriness in order to create a keyframe for the current blur value. Move the playhead where you want the video to be unblurred by. Then click the reset button next to blurriness. The blur will now fade in between the first and second keyframe that we created, and it will blur out in the third and fourth keyframe.